What's good, y'all? It's that boy Mo coming to y'all with another edition of Grab or Pass. This time we gonna talk about this Premier Protein ready to drink right here. I've been seeing a lot of this on social media. I've been seeing a lot of this on like TikTok, Facebook ads and stuff like that, and Twitter too. So a lot of people really rave about this right here. I tried this actually yesterday. I'm gonna give my review. I bought this from Walmart. 4 came in a pack for less than $8. Now, if you want to save money and all that stuff, we can go through all that jazz and all that stuff right there. You know what I'm saying? The quality of the protein and the taste. This right here is this caramel flavor. I did taste it yesterday, and I'm gonna go over that with y'all right now. All right, y'all. Anyway. So this protein powder, well, not powder, ready to drink. This protein drink right here is by Premier Protein, and it has 30 grams of protein per serving. It has 160 calories. Looks like 1 gram of sugar, and it says 24 vitamins and minerals right here. It's a high protein shake. A lot of people rave about this, you know what I'm saying, on social media and stuff like that. So let's go through here and I'm gonna give my review. This is Walmart. I got it from Walmart. Yesterday when I went to the store and I needed some, actually I wanted to save money, honestly, because I've been buying like protein drinks from the gym, and like they blend it up for, you know, that stuff, and that cost me about $5.59 per drink, and for 4 of these you can get for less than $8. So for 4 of those you're looking at about what, $22. For 4 of these you're getting less than $8. So you're saving about $14 right there. You're saving money, honestly, with these right here. And the protein, amount of protein that's in this, I'm pretty sure it's the same as the amount of protein that was in that drink. So, as I said before, we're gonna go through the nutrition facts right here. You got 160 calories, 3 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbohydrates. So you're looking at the vitamin and mineral content. I don't really go over that in my supplement reviews because you can get your vitamins and minerals through food, just like you can get it through your protein through food, or you can take your vitamins. I think what I'm really gonna look at here is the ingredients in here. There's a lot of ingredients in here that you really, there's a lot of ingredients. You got acesulfame, potassium in here, no doubt. You got it's a whole lot of ingredients in here. So if I'm gonna look at from just a protein standpoint, nutrition fact standpoint, and not looking at the ingredients in here, then I'm gonna give it a grab. I'm gonna give it a grab, go out and grab it, you know what I'm saying, like that. And I want my protein, so I'm not even gonna pay attention to this here. So give it a grab. Now, if you're on the flip side, if you're one of those people who really care about the ingredients that's in your product right here, that you're looking at it and you're like, I don't know what sodium ascorbate is. I don't know what magnesium phosphate is. I don't know what manganese sulfate is. So you're like, I don't know what cyanocobalamin is. What the hell is that? So if you're one of those people that want more natural ingredients, more ingredients that you can understand and what they are, then give it a pass. You know what I'm saying? But if you're looking for just a solo protein product to save money, that you can get your protein in 30 grams. This 30 grams is a great amount of protein, especially after workout, post workout. So go get this a grab. If you are not a big fan of a lot of ingredients and you're ready to drink protein shakes, if you're not a big fan of that, then give it a pass. I think it's like one of the first times that I gave an actual grab and a pass to a product. So like for me myself, I'm not too enthused about the products right here. It all depends on the day and what kind of money I'm gonna save. I gotta look at more products out there, but I'm gonna give this a grab for now. Probably look at some other products and all that stuff, and then compare them. Compare Premier Protein to another product, and then be like, all right, this is what we need to do. You're gonna grab, you're gonna pass, you're gonna pass, you're gonna grab. So for now, if you're just looking for a quick sip protein drink, go out, and get this right here and give it a grab.